Hello and welcome to this video presented to you by Simbai, and I'm here in sunny Cairns on a beautiful day, and we're talking about a beautiful car today. All right, now what we've got in front of us is a 2002 Ram 1500 Express, all right, ready to go in this beautiful black color. All right, please come with me and we'll check it out together. All right, now this is what the back of the Ram looks like. There's plenty to be desired. There's a towbar kit on the back already installed for you. There's some reverse cameras and sensors on the back as well to help you when you're guiding it into your driveway, into a shopping center or something like that. All right, and it also helps when you're trying to hook on a trailer, to be able to see what's going on directly behind you. It's a great feature to have. All right, with this 4x4 system that you get with these Rams as well, it's a really hard car to be able to pass up on. Great deal, $89.90 drive away. You're not going to find too many left because they discontinued this car. All right, so now we're on the inside. We're going to start it up and see what it's like. All right, a Ram 1500 with around 11,000 kilometers on it. It's very brand new. As you can see, it has some nice upholstery over here, a fabric interior, massive glove box compartment, 3 cup holders, and then you do have this nice big digital display as well. Now this is the satellite navigation that we have on the Ram 1500 Express. I've got it directed straight to KFC. It's got our estimated arrival time and the route already there, ready to go. You can change the gears up and down to be able to get as much power as you want out of the V8 5.7 liter Hemi engine that comes in these. All right, now the good thing about it is it has around 550-ish Newton meters of torque, which is plenty of torque to be able to pull what you need it to pull. All right, and it also does a little bit over 290 kilowatts of power. All right, so if you needed to do whatever you needed to do, it's gonna do it, and it's gonna do it well. All right, so thank you for joining us on this little test drive that we did. And if you did want to book a test drive in person, please feel free to let me know. I'm Simbai, and I'm the guy who you want to talk to if you want to get a ripper deal on a fantastic vehicle like this. It comes with the side rails as well to make it nice and easy when you're stepping out. It's basically brand new, almost brand new. All right.